whisper in the quiet night, faint but steady, a guiding light. The stars lean in, they hold their breath. Eternal glow, you carry me through shadows deep to what will be a place where dreams and hearts collide, a gentle flame that never